What's up, everybody? It is your girl Maya here with another makeup video. If you do not know me, I am a lover of all things beauty related, as well as a nurse in my spare time. So if I look a little dusty today, give me an excuse, y'all. I was at work all day and I wanted to film this video for you guys because it is essential to like my everyday look. What are we talking about today? Lashes, lashes, lashes. So, many of you do not know, I have a love-hate relationship with lashes, okay? But before we get into the story though, have you liked my videos? Subscribe. Put on that notification bell. Have it? If you haven't, go ahead and do that. Do that right now. Thanks. Anywho, back to the story. So, I know a lot of people have a love-hate relationship with lashes. I just feel like, personally, whatever you do, if you do an everyday look, if you want a glam look, soft glam, if you want a smoky eye, whatever it is, a lash takes that look from here to all the way up here. So I am not very good at putting on lashes. Dare I say, my everyday look consists of this. Okay, this. Eyebrows, eyeliner, mascara. That's how I go to work. And I actually wore eyelash extensions for a long time, almost about a year. The quarantine actually gave me a chance to give my eyelashes a break, which is a good thing. However, I desperately missed them. I loved waking up looking like this, but I didn't. But the quick thing is, it gave me a chance to practice with regular lashes. Okay, I bought like 2 pair. These are both Ardell's. One is their naked lashes with the invisible band so that it kind of blends better, so they say. And then these are like the natural ones. But I mean, are they any better? I don't know, but I feel like they complete the look. But I'm here talking about something that you probably may have been a little curious about: magnetic lashes. Now, when I heard there were some lashes that literally I could just put on with some eyeliner really quickly, you had me hooked. Are magnetic lashes even worth it? Okay, let's talk about the price point. These suckers were not cheap, so I bought 2 different kinds. I bought the eyeliner and 2 sets of lashes from Glamnetic, and then I also went to another brand called Moxie Lashes, and they gave me like this cute little kit, which I did like with like the little lash applicator, which I didn't even use. It gave me 2 mini eyeliners for them, and then they also gave me these magnetic eyeliner removal swabs, which work pretty well. So for both of these, I bought 2 sets of lashes because I figured, okay, if they work, they're worth it. But these 2 sets of lashes, okay, show them to you guys. And then these from Glamnetic, $82 with the liner. I figured I'd try it. If that means I could wear these suckers every day, I feel like it was worth the investment. Same thing for this, the kit. It was like $90 or whatnot for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try both lashes. I'm going to apply them. So I'm gonna use Maxi Lashes on my left eye and their liner. I have a little tiny one, y'all, so we're gonna have to try to make this work. And then I'm gonna use Glamnetic lashes. We're gonna use these and their liner. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna finish it off with some lipstick, and then we're gonna show y'all some looks and let y'all compare and contrast. So first, I'll start with Glamnetic. So I am gonna tell you first about the eyeliner for Glamnetic. So they have a old school like brush tip eyeliner. It comes off like this. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the texture here, but that is what we're working with here. Not necessarily my favorite eyeliner, y'all. I like felt tip because it's a little easier to work with, and your girl ain't that good with doing stuff. Now, what I read about applying the eyeliner is that you want to apply it directly to the tops of the eyelids. Like, you don't want the eyeliner to go into your lashes, but you wanted to put it directly over it so that it can kind of mesh with your other ones. Of course, this is how I already went to work. So I already have on mascara to kind of allow my natural lashes to mesh with these. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to try to put on some eyeliner on this side. Let's see how we gonna do this, y'all. Okay, surprisingly, it glides on pretty easy. Yeah, you can actually almost do like a winged liner look. I'm just going back through and making sure that it's spread evenly, because that was part of my problem last time, is that I did not have it on here all the way. So we're gonna let that dry, then we'll put on the lash. In the meantime, let's do the Moxie one. So this is their little mini eyeliner. Y'all, it's so cute. It's so cute. This one I already know has, cause I got this one first, so I kind of played with it already. It has a felt tip applicator, so I'm just gonna shake it up. Shake it. Shake it like it's so shaky. Oh, sorry. Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna shake that one. So this is what we got. This is the applicator for this one. So I'm going to put this one on too. First thoughts too, this one is like a lot less runny than the Maxi Lash Liner is a lot less runny than the Glamnetic eyeliner. Just so you're aware. Alright, I've covered my whole eye. Now, for the fun part. So these Glamnetic lashes, you can just, they come in this little container where there are metal strips on the inside, so that when you're done with your lashes, you can literally just stick them back in there like that, which is really handy. Let me see if this is dried all the way. I think it has. Now here's just the eyeliner without any lashes on. First off, just from observation, this side is a lot ashier. Okay, Moxie Lash, the eyeliner is like, to me, a little bit more giving me like gray tinge just from looking at it, versus this is black, you know, the Glamnetic one. So just so you know. Now the difference in the actual lashes themselves, Glamnetic boasts having being the only design magnetic lash that has 6 magnets. So what I'm gonna do is just put these right on here, okay? Oh honey, it's on there. Like, it's not going nowhere. Now these are like the straightest set of lashes ever though. Oh, darn it. So I got a little bit of liner on my lashes and it wanted to stick to my lashes. So I had to kind of like play with them. I don't like these lashes. They look terrible. I don't like these. I'm taking these off. Let's try the other ones and see how they look. I know these are cute. Those look like beauty supply store lashes. No shade, no shade now. No shade. Because I buy beauty supply store lashes. But they're not supposed to look like beauty supply store lashes. Just saying. Okay. So these are a lot more, like a lot longer. These are their Luxe Lash. So they're a lot longer, wispier. Let's give them a try. Okay guys, so I have one on. I'm not gonna lie, it actually feels a little heavy. Let me just try to boop, boop. Move it over. But it's not bad though. I like this. It's cute. You know. She's cute for every day. She's cute for a cute look. Now let's put on the Moxie Lashes. Now these are their Sassy Lash. Oh, I didn't even say what kind of lash this was. This is just called the Luxe Lash from Glamnetic. Just so you know. So I didn't see a name for it or whatever. But this style of lash from Moxie Lash is called their Sassy Lashes. Now this one is a little different, like I mentioned, guys. This one has 5 magnets, so it's just a little different, but it says it's 100% pure mink, up to 30 wears per pair, handcrafted with care. So the same with this one. I think it says about 30 wears per pair, so it's not bad. Just place this one. Oh goodness, I feel like I need to place it with my left hand because I don't know. I don't know, because I'm extra. Okay, it's a very similar lash actually, guys. So, very similar. Whoa. So look at there, guys, look at that. So this is the Glamnetic. This is the Moxie. What do you think? Gonna give you looks. Let's take it up a notch. I'm gonna use some red stunner lip paint from Fenty Beauty because, you know, red just makes everything better. If y'all didn't know, red is one of my favorite colors when it comes to lip color. And I love this applicator because it's like I can almost like line my lips. And voila, you have a whole look, baby. A whole look. You know, swoop the braids over, or you know, you could put them in a high pony, whatever your thing is. I don't know why I always like my hair swooped over to the side. Even when I'm not wearing braids, I always tend to swoop it to one side or the other. So my final thoughts, okay? So if you guys want a quick, when I say quick, easy alternative to lashes with glue, I would say get you a pair of these. Like the Moxie Lashes are a good alternative. Like I said, they're a little pricier, but they are premium mink. And you have the 30 wears, so that's awesome. And then the Glamnetic ones are pretty cute too. However, I just didn't really care for, I just didn't really care for this style. It wasn't really me. But this one, their Luxe Lash, is also I mean, like, I liked them. I thought they were cute. Now these are, so they say premium lash. I don't know if these are, it didn't mention for this particular style, which it didn't have a specific style. It just said that it was the Luxe ones, but I mean, you can't really tell the difference though. And I feel honestly like these are lighter. These are a little heavier. But I also remember I got some in my lashes, so I actually would say for this particular one, don't wear any mascara, because or put the liner on first and then put on your mascara. That's probably what should be. Probably should be that first side. So I would say liner, mascara, then you put on your lashes. But if you just want quick lashes for that day, or to put them on, like for me, I'm always on the go. I work in outpatient as a nurse, so I like to be dressed up. Like I see patients on certain days. I literally have clinic every day. However, I have a certain volume of patients that I see, and if I know like I'm not doing too much, then I do dress in business casual clothing. And so I like to be a little made up. I put on a little bit more eyeshadow and a cute lip that day too, because you know I'm able to do that. But then there's some days where I'm just wearing scrubs and I'm running around like crazy. So it just depends on your life. Now, if you are a person that can dress up all the time and you have time to sit here and wait for glue to dry for some natural lashes, do you. I'm not bashing them at all. Like, I will still be buying my little $2-3 lashes to put on to complete makeup looks. But if you guys want, you know, quick alternatives, I definitely recommend both of these brands, the Moxie brand and the Glamnetic. I actually probably will be repurchasing from some, so you know, if either one of y'all want to reach out to me, talk to a sister, you know what I'm saying? But thank you guys again for watching my video. I hope that I helped you figure out you know, some cool tips on what you can do for lashes, some alternatives. And if you like this video, again, make sure that you like it and subscribe to my channel. I post videos, try to do weekly. And you can also find me on Instagram at Maya Morenzoni, Morenzoni. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.